How to file annual report for LLC in Kentucky 2025 step by step. If you own an LLC in Kentucky, filing your annual report is a must. Missing it can lead to fines or even dissolution. Here's a step-by-step guide for 2025. Step 1. Gather your business information. You'll need your LLC's name, registered agent, and principal office address. Most people get this wrong. They assume the state automatically updates info, but you must provide current details. Step 2. Visit the Kentucky Secretary of State website and navigate to the annual report filing section. Log in using your LLC's credentials. Step 3. Complete the report form. You'll enter updated member information, business address, and contact details. You won't believe what happens next. You can also update your registered agent and business emails or phone numbers, keeping your records current. Step 4. Pay the filing fee. For LLCs, this is online. Confirm the payment and submission to avoid delays. Step 5. Download or print the confirmation for your records. Kentucky requires the annual report to be filed by the LLC's formation anniversary each year. By following these steps, you ensure your LLC stays compliant and avoids penalties. The surprising truth is that annual reports aren't just bureaucratic. They protect your business's good standing and make it easier to access financing, contracts, and legal protections.